Good morning, traders. I'm Michael Sabo, Senior Commodities Broker, here with RJO Futures on Tuesday, November 13th, bringing you some commentary here in the energy market. So what do we have going on here? Well, right now, energy prices a little bit weaker here. Crude's off just a little bit. It's mostly been weaker on the overnight. We're off right now about 31 cents. Diesel crude trading right around 85.26 a barrel. Now, today is option expiration here in December crude oil options, so we'll see kind of where prices are gravitating as we head towards the close of the pit there. Could be some interesting opportunities there on the day. Give me a call if you want to talk about that and how you can play options that are expiring that day. Taking a look at the Brent, weaker there as well, off a little bit more. We're currently trading around 107.96 here. That's off a little over $1. So, as I mentioned in a lot of these posts, give me a call. You want to talk about the Brent WTI spread? A lot of opportunity there as well. Give me a call. I can educate you on that. Talk to you about entry and exit points. Complex, nat gas really bucking the trend. Nat gas is up about 4% today, a little over 13 cents, sitting around just over 370 right now. So certainly a much firmer tone there. Looking at the complex, obviously that's weaker here with crude prices being down. We're currently got RBOB around 264.79. That's off almost 3 cents, and the heat's off about 3.5 cents at around 296.36. So, factors here today kind of affecting commodity prices and certainly the energy markets here for the most part. You've got a stronger dollar, and so that's putting pressure on commodities. You've got the equities that have been kind of quiet here so far on the overnight, but take a look at S&P. It's been a touch weaker. There's been some concern overseas. Greece, for example, they got some bills coming due this week, and it doesn't look like they might not be in a position to pay one of their major payments there. So we're going to kind of look at that and see how that affects things. But so far, it's kind of been a risk-off type attitude. We also had a report come out here, EIA monthly numbers, and they've talked something that I've mentioned in a lot of these posts, and that is that they see, basically supplies slightly increasing and remaining ample while the demand still appears to be very sluggish. And that's kind of been the theme going on for some time right now. We've seen that in most of the weekly DOE reports. We'll have API coming out later today, but of course tomorrow's going to be DOE, and we've seen that reoccurring theme where we've seen build after build after build. So we'll see how today's API numbers look. We'll see how the DOE numbers look there, if there's any surprises or not. Technically, I think the market is still consolidating down at this range. We're trading in this, 85. We dip underneath there a little bit on up into, the 87-ish range. We've been kind of fluctuating in this price range here for some time. Take a look for those of you that follow like the RSI. That's kind of mid-range. Well, if you take a look at stochastics, they're down there. So I think what we've got here right now is still market consolidation. I think you have to be cautious, but I do think that traders looking to play the long side, there could be some good opportunities here to step in and possibly play that. Give me a call, though. I'll be more than happy to talk to you about some risk management ideas, some risk management strategies. I think risk management is key to being successful in any market. So give me a call. We can go over that. The number's on the screen. Shoot me an email. And of course, remember that futures trading does involve a substantial amount of risk. May not be suitable for all traders. Good luck. Good trading.